Present simple tense. Uses of the present simple tense. It is used to express habitual actions or general truths. She goes to gym every day. Water consists of hydrogen and oxygen. To talk about schedule events or timetables. For example, the train departs at 7 o'clock. For example, the conference starts next Tuesday. The third one, use of the present simple tenses. To describe the permanent states or characteristics. For example, he works as a doctor. For example, I live in New York. Fourth use of the present simple tenses. To discuss scientific facts or laws. The earth revolves around the sun. For example, plants need sunlight to grow. Here are the helping verbs used with subject in the present simple tense. I, we, you. They will be followed by the helping verb do. He, she, it, and singular noun. It will follow by does. Here are the basic structure. Present simple tense structure for positive sentences. Subject plus first form of verb plus es or s plus third person singular plus object. For example, 1. They play tennis on weekends. 2. She sings a song. 3. We go to the mall every night. Here is negative structure for the present simple tense. First, we will use subject plus does do plus not plus first form of verb plus object. For example, 1. They do not play tennis on weekends. 2. She does not sing a song. 3. We do not go to the mall every night. Here is the structure for interrogative. We will use the helping verbs, do or does first plus subject plus first form of verb plus object and question mark. For example, 1. Do they play tennis on weekends? 2. Does she sings a song? 3. Do we go to the mall at night? Thanks for watching.